For our last project, we're going to make a pair of pearl knotted earrings. I made these with the same colors I used for the original bracelets I made, the purple and the green. I'm going to use these crystal cream pearls, and I decided to make them all one color. There'll be a triple drop on each side. And this is the same as one of the colors I used in the bracelet we made in the last video. We had a lot, as you recall, a lot of thread left over from our last project, which was the bracelet. So I decided we're just going to reuse it. Now, the first step is just to make a nice secure knot at the bottom before we slide on any pearls. So I'm going to make a double overhand knot. Then I'm going to slide on 3 of these pearls. I love this color. Such a classic color. It's so soft. And it's neutral, go with anything. And you can also, if you want more than 4 pearls, let's go with 4. Okay, so now we have our 4 pearls on our thread, and we're going to repeat the same technique we've used before. We're going to take our bottom pearl, we're going to form a loop and bring that pearl through the loop, and I'm going to continue on with the tweezer technique. You're going to go inside the loop right to the bottom of the thread in the top of the pearl, and then you're going to close that loop and make a nice knot. And we'll repeat it 3 more times. The next step is to attach the clamshell. We're going to slide the needle from the outside of the hole into the middle of the clamshell. The next step is to form the knot inside the clamshell. So we're going to form a loop and snug our thread down so that we have the knot inside the clamshell. We'll do it 1 or 2 more times because we want that really secure in there. So we have a triple overhand knot. I'm going to place a dab of glue on the knot. Close the clamshell. Gently close it. If any glue spills out, wipe it off. Then we'll trim the tail. We'll save the needle and thread for our matching earring. At this point, I'm also going to put some glue on the bottom knot And we'll let that dry as we finish the top of the earring. I'm taking a 4mm open jump ring. Opening it up. Putting it through the loop in the bottom of our ear wire, through the loop we formed at the top of our clamshell. Close that jump ring. You know, I suppose you could even leave a little tail at the bottom if you like that look, but I'm going to snip mine off. We've already secured that knot with glue because we don't want that knot to come untied. There we have one earring. And this was our second bead knotting project. Thank you. We'll be right back.